In order to solve this orange or yellow screen issue on a Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, first we need to open the settings. Over here in settings, we're gonna scroll down a little bit and then you want to go to display settings. The main reason why your screen feels or looks so orange or yellow is probably because of the night light option, which is of course over here. If we go to the night light setting, we can adjust the intensity if it's enabled, so you can make it less orange or yellow, or you can of course completely deactivate this feature. And if you want to use this feature but not all the time, then of course you can create a schedule which will make the phone automatically enable and disable that option at a given time. If the night light option is not activated and the screen still is a little bit yellow or orange, then you can also go to colors menu in here, and you might want to check at the color temperature, because as you can see we can set it to warm, which also turns it very orange-ish, so you can just move it to the middle and that should solve the issue. Leave a like and subscribe.